Welcome to the cutting-edge world of 3D printing, where innovation meets precision to revolutionize industries. Today, we explore how 3D printing is transforming aerospace and automotive sectors by creating lightweight yet durable components. In the aerospace industry, 3D printing has become indispensable. From intricate brackets to complex engine components, this technology offers rapid, flexible, and cost-effective solutions for crafting highly detailed parts. 3D printers are the future of manufacturing because they help with improved fuel efficiency, enhanced performance, cost savings, design freedom, material optimization. But how can 3D printers create lightweight components? Here's how. Step 1. Design. Engineers use advanced software to design lightweight aerospace parts. Step 2. Topology optimization. Algorithms analyze stresses, helping identify and remove unnecessary material for a strong, lightweight structure. Step 3. Lattice structure. Constructing materials into a lattice ensures the lowest part-to-weight ratio, supporting heavy loads while enhancing heat dissipation. Step 4. Material removal. Skilled engineers utilize sophisticated tools to add or remove material based on set parameters, creating an equally strong and lightweight part. The result? Components created with 3D printers are not only equally strong, but also significantly lighter, without uplifting the cost of manufacturing. With this, we are sure that 3D printing technology is here to revolutionize the manufacturing industries.